Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Honda Accord's navigation system. Keeping your maps current ensures you always have the most accurate routes and points of interest. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing your system to enjoying your newly updated maps. It's a straightforward process that enhances your driving experience significantly, making every journey smoother and more efficient. To begin, you will need to obtain the correct update files. Navigate to the official Honda Navigation website, where you can find the latest map data specific to your Accord model. You might need to purchase these updates. Once acquired, transfer these files onto a compatible storage device, such as a USB drive or an SD card, ensuring it has sufficient space, typically several gigabytes. With your update files ready, insert the USB drive or SD card into the designated slot in your Honda Accord's navigation system. The system should automatically detect the new data and prompt you to begin the installation. Carefully follow all on-screen instructions. This process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour, so ensure your vehicle is in a safe location and the engine is running or accessory power is on. After the installation is complete, verify the update by checking the map version within your navigation system settings menu. You should see the new version number displayed. Now, you can enjoy enhanced routing, new roads, and updated points of interest. Remember to perform these updates periodically, perhaps once every 1 or 2 years, to keep your navigation system performing at its best and ensure you always have the most current information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.